back. So today I'm going to build the Lego Wicked set Glinda, Elphaba, and Nessarose at Shiz University. So we've got 3 dolls, looks totally awesome, and I kind of forgot the story. So I didn't know that there was like this gigantic pond thing in front of Shiz. I kind of forgot. But anyway, I do remember them like coming in with like boats. Yep. So anyway, we've got a bright turquoise boat and like really like pretty like boat sails and also some pretty stickers, and we've got 1 guidebook and 3 bags of Lego included in this set. So awesome. So first we're going to make Glinda, and she looks so pretty in her school uniform. Totally fantastic, right? And actually it looks really similar to the one in the movie, so I'm actually very impressed. And her shoes are really nice too, and very nice hairstyle, and she got like some ribbons over there, so cute. And this is, I think, her diary. So yeah, it's very safely locked up. So Glinda's diary like this. So this is Glinda, and we've got 2 other dolls, so let's build them right now. So this is Nessarose, and her shoes are so extraordinary, like it's so special. Like I never had like those like really bright colors before, but like Nessarose doesn't really look like Nessarose, to be honest, but I guess it's not bad. So Nessa is also wearing like like using wheelchair, of course. So let's put some pretty stickers at the back as well. Really nice looking, like nice and fancy, right? Like golden colors. So Nessa can sit in her wheelchair like this, and she's got like a little bit of luggage as well. So this is Nessa, and the next doll is Elphaba, and her shoes are super fancy too, and her school uniform also looks really nice. But I think it would have been nice if they made like a mini doll like Elphaba wearing glasses, because Elphaba sometimes wears glasses, so I think that would have been also nice. But anyway, I think this is also like Elphaba's diary maybe. So yeah, we've got 3 dolls like this, and just in case you don't know, Nessarose is actually Elphaba's little sister. And so Nessa likes Bok, and Bok likes Glinda, and Glinda likes Fiero, and Fiero likes Elphaba. So complicated, right? So anyway, this is Glinda's boat, and when she first came in, she has like so many boxes, like way more many boxes than this. So anyway, there's like this mint flower inside, but anyway, she has like so many boxes. But anyway, in this Lego set, she just has like 4 boxes. So anyway, we're going to put like these things so that we can attach the boat sail. Wow, it looks interesting, right? And so we're going to make the same one on the right side as well. It's going to look so pretty when it's finished. I totally love it. I think this set is really nice, but I also do think that it would have been nice if they made like this Shiz University set into a really super gigantic set and make all those like libraries and stuff like that. That would have been also really nice. So anyway, attach these boat sails like this. So pretty, right? And there's like this giant logo like Glinda. It's funny like having your own logo. Anyway, that's Glinda's boat, and now we're making the Shiz University. So like this Shiz logo, that's probably like the Shiz logo. Anyway, this is actually a very popular like university, I think. Yeah, so we've got some blue colors because this is like kind of like near a gigantic pond, or maybe that's the sea. I don't think that's the sea, but there is a possibility. Actually, I'm not sure. But anyway, this looks so nice, right? Like look at all these white colors, and when it's finished, it's gonna look so fancy and it's so nice. So wait, sorry, kind of like this. Looks so pretty, right? I think this is a really nice pretty set, and it's not a very expensive set, so when it's on sale, it's actually quite nice. I think I also bought it when it was on sale. Yeah, probably, because I mostly buy Lego sets when it's on sale. So like beige colors. This is gonna be the fancy entrance. Looks nice, right? So on this side, on the right side, we're going to have some like perfumes. Not so sure why though, because I don't really remember seeing perfumes in Shiz University. But I guess just they just made it. Anyway, we've got some like fires over here like this, and there's like a pink flower, and the pink flower is actually very nice. That's what makes this look more colorful. And over here, I'm not so sure what this is for, but it's sort of like a stand where you can put something, and I think you can put like Elphaba's diary on top of it. And so we've got some like QR code, and if you scan it, I've scanned it before when I was making the Emerald City set, it just shows you like a wicked game, so, you know. And I'm not so sure what I'm supposed to do with that. Anyway, so there's like these really nice patterns over here. They look so pretty, don't you think? Really nice colorful patterns, and I like that it's printed on the Lego piece. I like it that it's not a sticker, because I like more like things that's printed on the Lego piece more than stickers, because stickers, they're not that, you know, that interesting. I mean, they are of course very interesting, but the ones that's printed on the Lego piece is even more interesting. Anyway, so this is starting to like look like a school now, don't you think? It's like second floor, so the first floor is like there's a stand to put a book, and there's like some perfumes, and in the second floor that's just like a terrace. And this one is also really nice. These are like these fancy ones, so we're going to make 2 of these and attach it to the wall, and now the school is going to look super fancy. Look, it looks so amazing, right? And we've got some more plants. Totally fantastic. Look at that. Oh my god, and like some red ones as well, and these one like a little bit longer one. So amazing, they said. So fantastic. I think it would have been also really nice if they made it big, you know, like with that fantastic library, like those like, you know, there's like these really fantastic, you know, like those things that's like turning, you know, on the library. That looked really fantastic. And if this was like this really big set with also like a pond and like boats and so many stuff, that would have been really nice too. Yeah, so anyway, there's like some railings, golden railings, super fancy, right? So pretty. Anyway, like these some more brown colors. You look so pretty. This set is so nice and fancy. I love Wicked sets because Lego Wicked sets are so fancy. Like all the time they're very fancy. Like the Emerald City set was also very fancy, and like Munchkin Land and sets like that, they're all very fancy, and I think they look so cute, don't you think? So we're also putting some more fancy stuff on the second floor as well. So nice, right? Looks so pretty. So yeah, lots of beige colors. So nice, right? So awesome. This is so pretty, like so amazing. Like this. Oh my god, just look at that. So fancy, right? And lots of like turquoise circles as well. Like this. Oh my god. And so like these turquoise colors, this is sort of like the roof. Yep. Kind of like this. Okay, like this, and put some more like decorations, and surprise, this is the end of the build already. So fast, right? Don't you think? Anyway, so that's Shiz and that's Glinda's boat, and these are all the dolls. Oh my god, so pretty, right? Like it's a pity there's nothing really inside. Like it's like almost empty, because this is what Shiz looks like. This is like this picture in the guidebook. It's so big, gigantic. Look at that. But why did they make it so small? Oh my god, this is so disappointing. I mean, it's really nice too, but if it was bigger, it would have been way better, don't you think? But I guess they didn't really have so many ideas, so they just decided to make it small and put some like these perfumes that I don't even remember seeing. Anyway, these look so cute, so let's start playing with it now. Okay, so Elphaba first arrived at Shiz. And now she's going to put her diary in here, like in this public place. I don't know why though. Anyway, now she's standing in the terrace nicely, and so Nessarose is okay. Wait, sorry. Oh my god, sorry. Nessarose can't, you know, walk. Sorry. I kind of forgot. So put her bag over here like this, and she's going to like go out now. And it does look really nice and fancy. And oh, look at that boat. Oh my God. Ah, this is so nice. Oh, hello there. Hi. What's your name? My name is Glinda. It's nice to meet you. It's nice to meet you too. You've got so many luggages. Yeah, I know I've got so many boxes. So I'm just playing it like my freestyle because I don't really remember the story, and this is just freestyle story, so this has got nothing to do with the original Wicked story, okay? Oh wow, you've got so many luggages. Yeah, and this one is actually empty. And okay, if it's empty, why did you bring it? Because it looks pretty, right? This one is also empty. Okay. But this one is not empty. I've got a mint flower inside, and I'll give it to you as a present. Oh, really? That's so nice of you, Glinda. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Wow, so what are you going to do with all these boxes? I'm going to put it in my dormitory. I'm going to stay in a really big room. That sounds nice. Yeah, it does actually. Your flower is so pretty. Thanks so much, Glinda. You're welcome. The ribbon on your head also looks nice. And oh, look at that. Look at these perfumes. Oh, this one smells really nice and fresh. Smells good. Yeah, it smells nice, Glinda. And by the way, I forgot to ask your name. What's your name? My name is Nessarose, but you can just call me Nessa. Okay, Nessa. Well, this one smells nice too. But, of course, I'm Glinda who loves pink. So, this one is my favorite. Yeah, it looks so nice on you, Glinda. And pink looks really nice on you. Yeah, thanks. Smells so good. Yep. Okay, let's put this back. And what is that book? Oh, this is just, like my sister's diary. Oh, your sister also goes to Shiz? Can I meet her? No, it doesn't really matter, let's just, go outside. Okay. Oh, you dropped your flower. Oh, sorry, there you go. I want to go upstairs. Wait, Glinda. Oh, there's someone upstairs. Hi, and, you're green. So, nothing, it's just, surprised, I've never seen anyone that's green before. Glinda? Glinda, where are you? Glinda? I'm up here, Nessa. What are you doing with... Ow! You surprised me. What are you doing with my diary? That is top secret. Oh, so, this is your sister. Is that right? Yeah. Hi, what's your name then? My name is Elphaba, and I'm Glinda. Okay, so it's, I guess nice to meet you, Glinda. It's nice to meet you too. Okay, so, Nessa. Yeah, I'm over here. Okay, I'll put this back in the shelf. What should we do now? I don't know, I'm sort of kind of bored. Okay, I see. So, let's just put this back in the floor. Yeah, your boat looks really cool, Glinda. Thanks. So, and your boxes look really nice and pretty too. Yeah, I wish I have some hole in my hair just like yours, but I don't have, so it's hard for me to use the pin that you gave it to me. That looks so cute. But Nessa, I have like 4 boxes, but do you have any luggages? I mean, yeah, I do actually. I have a little bag over here. What did you put in that? Nothing, actually. Oh, you're kind of like me. Yeah, I know. How about you put this pin? Oh, yeah, good idea. Oh, wait, this pin is too big. It wouldn't close. That's too bad, but just leave it like that. At least you wouldn't drop it on the floor anymore. Yeah, that's good. That's actually a very expensive pin, like hairpin. Oh, yep, thank you. Thank you ever so much, Glinda. You're welcome. But Glinda, could I have a ride on your boat, please? Just a little bit. Okay, sure, why not? Hooray, so exciting. Yeah, your boat looks so cool. Yeah, totally. I know, it's actually quite cool. Okay, you can go inside like this. Oh wow, this boat is actually quite big. Yeah, I know. I wanted it to be big so that I could put all my luggages. Lots of boxes. Yep. Oh, this is so fun. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's actually kind of wobbly, but it's nice though. Yeah, and the sails look so pretty. Could I have a go too? Yeah, sure, I guess. Come on then. Thank you. Wow, it's so fun. Look at that. Oh, it looks so pretty. I wish I have a boat too. Yeah, I know. Like, there you go. Now everyone off. I have a good idea. How about we take some photos because today is the first day of our school and that is very special. Oh, sorry, Nessa. I'm fine. Okay, let's take some photos now. Yeah, super exciting. Everyone, oh, sorry, Glinda. Everyone look at the camera now. Oh, sorry, Nessa. Okay, kind of like this photo. Ta-da! Oh, that's so nice. I think I look so nice in the photo. Don't you think you look always nice, Glinda? Oh, that's sweet of you, Nessa. So what shall we do now? I don't know. There's not much things to do in here, Yeah, I know. And oh, by the way, what's that inside your bag, Nessa? Oh, this you mean? This is the present that Glinda gave me. Oh, do you have some holes in your hair, Elphaba? Actually, I do. Oh, wow, you look so nice with that, Elphaba. Yeah, you do, but that belongs to me. Okay? Okay. And did you see all Glinda's luggages, Elphaba? What do you mean? Those boxes. Oh, wow. So, it's even taller than me. Yeah, I know, but these are all my stuffs and I can put it in my dormitory. I feel bad for your, roommate, whoever it is. I don't know who it is yet. I bet if you put all those boxes, your roommate won't even have any space to breathe. Anyway, so now all the doors, they went upstairs to the terrace and oh sorry Nessa, that would hurt. Anyway, now they're all in the terrace and they're watching outside view. So this is the end of the video and I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye bye.